Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with Bill4Time receipt upload. Bill4Time is a popular time tracking and billing software used by professionals to manage their time and expenses. However, users may encounter issues when uploading receipts to the platform. In this guide, we will walk you through the most common problems and provide step-by-step solutions. First, let's discuss the importance of uploading receipts to Bill4Time. Receipts are essential for tracking expenses and generating accurate invoices. They provide proof of payment and help you stay organized. To upload a receipt, simply log into your Bill4Time account, navigate to the Expenses section, and click on the Upload Receipt button. One common issue with receipt upload is file format compatibility. Bill4Time supports various file formats, including PDF, JPEG, and PNG. If you are trying to upload a receipt in an unsupported format, you will encounter an error. To resolve this, convert your receipt to a supported format before uploading. Another issue is file size limit. Bill4Time has a maximum file size limit for receipts, which is typically 10 megabytes. If your receipt exceeds this limit, you will need to compress the file or split it into smaller files before uploading. Incorrect receipt date is also a common issue. When uploading a receipt, make sure the date is in the correct format, which is mm/dd/yyyy. If the date is incorrect, you may encounter errors when generating invoices or reports. To avoid issues with receipt upload, it's essential to follow best practices. Always verify the file format and size before uploading. Ensure the receipt date is in the correct format, and the receipt is clear and legible. It's also a good idea to organize your receipts in a folder or category to make them easy to find and upload. In conclusion, uploading receipts to Bill4Time is a straightforward process, but common issues can arise. By understanding the file format and size requirements, ensuring correct receipt dates, and following best practices, you can avoid errors and ensure seamless receipt upload. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Bill4Time support resources or contact their customer support team for assistance.